We do software development day in and day out at Autodesk. Our customers are in the role of designing other kinds of things, like hardware, architecture, animation. It's really good to step into their shoes and try and make products that aren't just software. Design and Make is a project Autodesk sponsors internally to foster collaborative design, basically make products the same way our customers make products. Our team had a lot of experience working in animation, working with game design tools. So we took all those skills and we applied them to making the new project we call Digital Muppetry.
This project is madness. I mean, this is basically a sock puppet, but gone digital. Some of us have worked on a design and make project previously, and we used Autodesk 360. This project, we wanted to take it to the next level and actually use as much of Autodesk 360 social tools as possible.
We use Autodesk 360 originally to gain concepts and ideas and kind of gather them together.
Autodesk 360 was a critical tool in brainstorming. Just like shoot out a bunch of ideas and let them sort of stream past us. Okay, now try the chat. Now try the blog. Now try the wiki. Let's document what we're doing as we go.
We covered a very wide breadth of types of material, old Muppet cartoons, technologies, these kinds of water cooler conversations, these little notes and sets of content and things that you just wouldn't see if it wasn't aggregated for you and put in a social context.
Whenever we were inspired, we could just log into 360 and share those ideas, and bang, they were banked.
We posted these together on the group and we talked about them and we looked at them. And from that information, we decided on a course of action. Our character is Thespian Trout. He's a very serious actor. We're going to have him perform some classical American literature, Death of a Salesman, also perhaps Old Man in the Sea. We use an Arduino-connected glove interface to drive character animation.
It's reacting not only to gyroscope input, but flexion and to spatial relation.
And in Autodesk Motion Builder, we're going to take those inputs and map them to a three-dimensional character rig so that we can basically create on-the-fly, real-time character animation.
Our team is an interesting group because we've got programmers, and they actively work on the viewing platform for Autodesk 360.
Alex is our lead software engineer. He's taken the lead on developing the Motion Builder plugin that actually takes the input from our device and maps it to the character.
So what Ian's working on right now is inverse kinematics in Motion Builder. So he's basically trying to make sure that the trout doesn't lose his jaw when you oversample the input. Brandon is sort of our art genius. He works on UX for 360 Mobile.
Brandon is our lead visual designer on the project. He's doing most of the 3D modeling and rigging and skinning.
Then you've got Nick. He does art and programming. You'll have him working on 3D models, and he knows how to rig things. He's everywhere at once.
Tony has been our creative consultant on the project. He's led a lot of the social aspects. The main difference between Autodesk 360 and other social networks is that it starts in the context of your work and your team.
This allows you to focus on, the project or the group or whatever topic you like, and connect all of your conversations and communication around that.
There's a value in social collaboration and exposure to information more broadly than traditional communication tools allow. You can unlock potential in a project just by making sure the right people are aware of what you're doing at the right time.
Using Autodesk 360 really gave us the opportunity to time shift the work. One of us could go and work on some code, one of us could go and do some research.
Safely and securely collaborate. Anyone can do that. You can do it on your mobile device, you can do it on your laptop, it's all accessible. So basically your project is as available as an internet connection. I've been at Autodesk for a while now, and I've seen this company with 360 sort of change the way information is shared. There's a transparency and availability of stuff that's put into Autodesk 360 that basically is lost if you don't have it.
It's been a great project, and I take great pride in what we've done so far.
I think we got further than we actually even thought we would when we started, and a lot of that is because of Autodesk 360.
I wish everyone luck. I'm sure there are some really good ideas out there, but watch out for the trout.